Hey there. Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a new Instagram highlight on Android. If you're looking to showcase some of your favorite moments on your profile, then highlights are the perfect way to do it. And it's super easy to create one too. So let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture, located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, you'll see 3 stacked lines also located in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Tap on that icon and it will open up a menu with various options. Scroll down until you see the Highlights section. You'll notice a plus icon right beside it. Tap on that. Now you'll be taken to a screen where you can create a new highlight. You'll see a prompt to choose stories. This is where you select the stories you want to add to your highlight. Simply tap on the stories you want to include. You can select as many stories as you like. Once you've selected all the stories you want to add, tap on the Next button located in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to a screen where you can customize your highlight. You can add a name for your highlight, choose a cover photo, and even edit the stories you've included. When you're all done customizing, tap on the Add button to create your highlight. And voila! Your new highlight is now ready to be viewed by all your followers. That's it. Creating a new Instagram highlight on Android is really that simple. So go ahead and showcase some of your favorite moments on your profile today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.